You cannot skip the process. Yes, guys, you have to go through the process. Hey, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video. I hope your weekend was well, and I am praying that you have a great week ahead. Esther, she went through the process, and also her cousin Mordecai. Mordecai became one of the greatest person to be next to the king. You'll see in chapter 10 of the book of Esther. I encourage you to read the entire book. That is why I'm not giving you any specific scripture. Even though you will not hear the word God or see the word God mentioned in the scriptures, in the verses or text, I can tell you God was all up in this book. Here in Jamaica, we'll say him turn up. So I'm encouraging you, whatever you're going through, the hardship, keep on trusting God, keep on going forward. Everything that you do, you cannot skip the process. You got to go through the steps, because that is how you experience God's promises. Blessings.